This is the Gargle COVID test. This is a painless procedure or test to do compared to the nasal swab that we usually get. All the instruction is here, guys. It's easy to follow. So the perfect timing to do this test is to do it early in the morning. Make sure you didn't wash your mouth or rinse water or have anything to drink. The first thing you get when you get up from bed, just go straight to the washroom and do this. So what comes inside the kit? You have a normal saline, a container that has a tube at the end, and a cover. Okay, so I'm gonna do this with you guys since I am due for a test, and later on I will get a booster shot as well. So here we go. Make sure you wash your hand first. Okay. Grab your timer. Okay, so let's do a dry run test first. So what you want to do is open the normal saline, put in your mouth the entire fluid, gargle, swish it around for 5 seconds at a normal level like this. Okay, once you reach 5 seconds, then you have to tilt your head back and gargle from there another 5 seconds. Like that. So you have to do that until 3 times in the total of 30 seconds. Okay? So let's do this. So let me do it again. And then spit out. All right. So I hope this video will help you guys out how to do the Gargle COVID test. Okay, it says here peel. Here is the container right there. Let's just take that one later. And then you have your cover there. Okay. This is the very first time I've done this, guys, so bear with me. All right, so here is the normal saline. Just open it and put everything inside your mouth. Make sure you don't swallow this. Okay, So spit the entire thing inside here in this tube. Okay, then remove the top portion. And cover it with the lid. All right. So if you're not sure that you did it for 3 times, you can always do more, guys. It's not gonna hurt. I think the more the merrier. So if you're not sure, continue as long as you can, or remember, because sometimes you get sidetracked of how many times you do the counting. Just do whatever you feel and it should be good to go. All right, so it doesn't say to date and to put the time and date on this, but I will just put one in case they do ask. And then all I need to do is just go to my local drive-through COVID center, fill up all the forms that I need to fill up, and just drop this off. And that's pretty much it. Very simple test and painless, instead of doing the actual COVID swab, the nasal COVID swab, which is quite painful, guys. So there you go. That's how you do the gargling COVID test.